Please hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more uphill adventures. Construction began on the Rideau Canal in 1826. It was designed to get ships between Montreal and the Great Lakes without the threat of attack from the Americans in the St. Lawrence River. The Rideau is a UNESCO World Heritage Site for being a feat of human genius. It's the only 18th century canal in North America that is still operational along its original line and has most of its original structure intact. The scenic Cranberry Lake is known for its shallow and consistently warm waters. Cranberry Lake is connected to the Cataraqui River through a canal to the Upper Burrows Lock. From this lock, you can travel south to Kingston, where it connects with the St. Lawrence and Lake Ontario. The Brass Point Bridge was built in 1887. It's the only remaining swing bridge that operates in its original form on the Rideau Canal. From here, we travel north on Little Cranberry Lake to Sealy's Bay before turning around to head back to Dog Lake Hideaway for dinner.